Remember, we are Filipinos. Our concern should be the Philippines. Our concern should be the Filipinos. I am just praying and wishing in this event, there is no partition, no other side, no underpolitical, nothing. We will focus on this event as Filipinos. Let's show that we are true Filipinos. We are united as one. Can we do that?
Mga kapatid, mula sa hilaga hanggang timog ay umukit ng pag-asang liliwanag ang kinang sa gitna ng dilim. Kahit saan ang hangganan, tapat ng Pilipino laging nandyan. Sa kahapon at kinabukasan, anumang bahagi ng kasaysayan,
she's been the official street food lady who has been doing this Philippine street food way back 2019. Hardworking Filipina. Palakpakan mo natin, Miss Ann Schmidt.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi tayo magsasawang magbigay ng kaligayahan para sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Hindi mapapagod ang ansiedad. Bigyan kayo na para maramdaman nyo ang Pilipinas. Kasi alam natin yan, nalinis natin yan, ang puso, ang prito, lahat yan. Ipapasalamat namin sa inyo sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin since 2019 at marami pa tayong magsasamahan ulit.
Subscribe to GMA Pinoy TV and feel closer to home with our all-time favorite shows, Bubble Gang, 24 Oras, and Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. You can also enjoy award-winning news programs, documentaries, lifestyle shows, and many more on GMA Live TV and GMA News TV. To know more, visit gmapinoytv.com/subscribe or follow us at GMA Pinoy TV on social media.